What's up, guys? Today is day one of the summer. Title, I think it's going to be something along the lines of Go Heavy or Go Home. Something along that. So we are a little bit off to a bad start. We'll say, first off, I played a lot of tennis this morning. I know I said I was going to record it. I was playing with some people, and I don't know, it felt weird asking them, so I just didn't. That took it out of me. I don't know why. It was just like 2 hours, so it wasn't horrible, but it was just absolutely took it out of me. I had work for about 5 hours today, which is just I was just on my feet all day. I was doing demolition today, so just a lot of just on my feet, strength, throwing things over my head, whatever. And I'm like, all right, whatever. We get back, we get dinner. Can't find any of my pre-workout. I still haven't unpacked from college. So today I always tell you guys the drink of the day. I'm only taking a sip of this C4 Mango Fuego. I had a taste of it. It just tastes kind of like, I don't know, mango, but not sweet. Yeah, definitely had a taste of it though. And so no pre-workout, whatever. I wanted to get pre on the first day. As I said in our Oldzer series, we're going to be doing a new workout. What does that look like? Now that's going to be a lot more focused on compounds than accessories, which is the powerlifting way, as opposed to accessories over compounds. Now in modern bodybuilding, people don't even do flat bench anymore. It's just incline bench. You got all your dumbbells, your pec decks, your X, your Y's, your Z's. I don't know. I am a power lifter. I'm competing in powerlifting. I think it makes sense if I lift like I'm powerlifting. So I am. With that being said, we are going to be doing 3 compounds today. We're going to start with hang clean. If we're doing hang clean on the day, I can't remember the entire week's plan. We're always going to start with hang clean though, because you want to be as fresh as possible for hang clean. At least I do. And then I think we'll be doing squat, and I don't really know, to be honest. I had this whole workout planned, it's like an 11-week plan because my meet's in 11 weeks. And I made it in Excel on my laptop. Just forgot to upload it to my phone. So I'm gonna see if I could try to see if I can get it from the cloud or something. But I'm halfway through my trip, and I'm I'm not going back for that. So I looked it over. I'm just gonna try to remember off the top of my head what we're doing. But I think it's gonna be just a basic legs day. I think that's what we're gonna do. I don't think we're going to be doing hamstrings. Hamstrings. I'm not going to be doing hang cleans. It's just I don't think I'm physically right for it right now. I'd just be risking injury. My feet are just so tired just from being on my feet all day. And but we're still getting this working. It's about 7:56 p.m. Phone also, just another bad thing. Phone is got in the car at 14%. Now we're charging it as we speak, but 14% with a car charger, it's not great. It's not ideal at all. And also, I have my GoPro set up here. You can't really see. It's underneath my phone, which I'm recording off of. Forgot the SD card. So I have a new tripod that I rigged up that I can put my GoPro in until I get the adapter. The 1/4-inch screw adapter, whatever. I finally figured out how to rig it up, and then I put it here and I press record on the GoPro, and it has a little SD card logo, meaning there's no SD card in it. So yeah, we're not off to a 1-0 start. We're kind of going into the gym 0-1, but day's not over till it's over, and it sure as hell ain't over. So with that being said, let's fucking get the rest of this lift. Alright, so unfortunately, I did not get those last 3 exercises. I recorded in between the exercises instead of the regular exercises. This is just, I got new equipment, so I'm testing it out. It's whatever. I'm not going to redo them because my legs are fucking beat, to be honest. So what we did today, what I didn't film at least, I hit the 2 sus machines. I supersetted them. I did 3 sets of them. And then I hit a seated calf raise alongside the standing calf raise, which I'm pretty sure I got filmed with. Rest of the workout, I'm just gonna go hit some mobility, so I don't want to record that. I'll see you guys in the car. What's up, guys? Today was a pretty good day. Post-lift comp. What went well? What didn't go so well? Well, I guess we could start off with this guy that's right off my ass. It looks like he's about to illegally pass me. Really hope he doesn't. Speed limit here is 40. I'm going 45. It's pitch black and raining, so I think I have a right to be going my speed. Anyways, regarding the lift, so I completely forgot to upload. I have a program in my phone called Heavy, H-E-V-Y. I upload all my workouts like for presets, and then I can just press start, and then it's like, okay, here's all these workouts. This is the weight you did last week at XYZ. And so what I was planning on doing, I was going to, from my Excel sheet on my computer, I was going to put it into that program so I'd have it in the gym, so I didn't have to bring my laptop into the gym. Sounds pretty simple. Forgot to do that. Didn't even upload it to the cloud, so I could not have any access to it. So today I just did a leg day, as any sane person would on a Monday. If you're doing bench on a Monday, you're kind of cope. That's all I gotta say. So I was wondering, because I was not supposed to do, I was supposed to do cleans, squat, bench, and then a few accessories. That was supposed to be my day. So I'm kind of in the middle for the rest of the week. Do I follow the plan, or do I, kind of deviate and do what I've been doing, my bodybuilding split, just for the week? But I'm already I'm only 11 weeks away from the competition, including this week. This is 1 out of 11. So I just want to, start the right stuff. So unfortunately, I don't want to say we lost today. Losing a day implies that you didn't go, and the worst workout is the one you don't attend. That's my famous saying. That's the quote of the day. There we go. I was afraid we weren't going to get one, but